In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund items in Rocket League. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am citing this video on the Epic Games website instead of Rocket League, and this is because if you head over to the Epic Games website, you go over to the Help or Support page, you will be able to search the Refund Center for Refund Rocket League and find the main article called Refunds in Rocket League. As you can see, this will describe to you how to get a refund on any platform you play Rocket League on. So to summarize this process, all you have to do is contact the specific platform support. So for example, if you are playing Rocket League on PlayStation, you have to contact the PlayStation support by going over to their website. If you are playing on Xbox, you need to contact the Microsoft or Xbox support, and so on. In this page, as you can see, they tell you that you can either contact the Epic Games Store support, the PlayStation support, Xbox, or Steam. As you can see over here, they describe that Switch does not generally provide refunds, but they suggest that you try and contact a Nintendo support. Regardless, all you have to do to request a refund in Rocket League is to choose your specific platform. So for example, how to refund an Epic Games Store purchase, and depending on the steps, the process will be different, but it mostly boils down to simply sending a message to the customer support and requesting a refund for the specific purchase within Rocket League on your platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to request a refund in Rocket League. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.